DJI Avata 3, Redefining Immersive FPV Flight. The next evolution in first-person view drone technology. For aerial filmmakers, FPV enthusiasts, and adventurous content creators, the DJI Avata 3 represents a leap forward in immersive flight. Combining intuitive controls, cinematic imaging, and robust safety features, this drone bridges the gap between accessibility and professional-grade performance. Key features of the DJI Avata 3. 1. Unmatched immersion with DJI Goggles 2. Dual Micro-OLED screens, 100Hz refresh rate, for ultra-low latency and crystal-clear visuals. Diopter adjustment, plus 2.0D to 8.0D, accommodates most vision types without additional lenses. Lightweight, ergonomic design for extended flight sessions. 2. Agile, compact, and adventure-ready. Ultra-portable at just 410 grams, ideal for travel and on-the-go filming. Up to 18 minutes of flight time, extended aerial exploration without frequent battery swaps. Built-in propeller guards enhance durability for dynamic flying in tight spaces. 3. Intuitive flight controls for all skill levels. DJI Motion Controller, fly with natural hand movements for effortless navigation. Advanced safety systems, downward binocular vision plus ToF infrared sensing for obstacle avoidance in low-altitude flights. Multiple flight modes, from stabilized hovering to high-speed manual FPV, the Avata 3 adapts to your skill level. 4. Cinematic-grade imaging. 4K/60 FPS ultra-wide recording, 1.7-inch CMOS sensor with f/2.8 aperture for stunning low-light performance. Rocksteady 2.0 plus Horizon Steady, advanced stabilization eliminates jitter for buttery smooth footage. 155 degrees FOV, capture expansive, immersive perspectives. Who is the DJI Avata 3 for? FPV beginners, easy-to-learn controls lower the barrier to entry. Content creators, capture dynamic, high-energy shots effortlessly. Adventure filmmakers, durable, portable, and ready for extreme environments. Professional endorsements. The Avata 3's combination of agility and cinematic quality makes it a game-changer for FPV filmmaking. Nathan McBride, aerial cinematographer. It's the first drone that truly makes FPV accessible without sacrificing professional results. Rotor Riot, FPV specialists. Final verdict. The DJI Avata 3 isn't just another drone, it's a revolution in immersive flight. Whether you're chasing high-speed thrills or crafting cinematic masterpieces, this compact powerhouse delivers unrivaled performance, safety, and creative freedom.